Summer, what are you doing, girly? She has a huge house update for you guys. I know you guys have been asking, are we moving? And it's time to finally come clean.
We'll tell you the truth. Summer, do you want to tell them? She can't talk. Come to our attention that we might have to move. Topper said that his backyard is getting overtaken by kids' toys and that he doesn't have enough room to go to the bathroom. Look at him. He's just out here sunbathing, living his best life, but it's being taken over. Sky, do you want to move?
Yeah.
You do?
Yes.
You want to move to a new house?
You don't want to live in this house anymore?
No.
That's
Okay.
a new video idea. Letting our toddler decide if we move or not.
We would probably live on the street. Sing it, girly!
You're the girl?
Sing it! What is it? What's the Jungle Boy?
Tarzan?
Tarzan. I was like, sing it, Tarzan. Okay, so no, we do want to update you guys because I feel like if you've been following us on like TikTok and Instagram, you guys have been seeing that like we've been like looking at other houses and people are always like, are you guys moving?
We
Are
gotta
you not
come
moving? So we have to come clean. So here's the truth. We can't move.
We were planning on moving, but then we decided that it just doesn't make sense because there's so many more memories to be made, and we just
No,
got a crazy
tell them the real
upgrade.
reason. Tell them the real reason. We got the best upgrade to our house out there. Josh got the Pooper Scooper 3000.
Katie's dad got me this for a birthday present. He got me a new pooper scooper, so.
You know what? This is 31 where you get things that like you actually need, which I thought was so funny. My dad was like, he comes out, he's like, look what I got, Josh. It was a pooper scooper. I thought that was like the
He
funniest
got me
gift
that
ever.
because I'm the.
Oh my god. No, but actually we just kind of were like, we were looking at different houses. We were gonna move, but then we were like, honestly, we love this house so much and I feel like it fits our like family and we're just kind of like making upgrades to it.
So we started, yeah, I was about to say, so we started doing upgrades to the crib.
Which we want to show you guys a few upgrades.
Upgrade number one,
Ooh.
a home sauna. Come on in.
Oh wow, this all did you right here?
It's all me right here. Hold on. Let me get you right.
Wow.
The home
Okay.
sauna.
Hosanna.
Girl, you've never been in here. What do you mean a little
Yeah,
sauna?
a little sauna.
We also redid this entire wall. We redid the entryway and we redid Sky's room.
Ever since having kids, the way we think about our home has completely changed.
Yeah, I feel like old us is all about like just aesthetic or things that like would like, you know, like a sauna, a cold plunge. Now we're like, okay, how can we make our house like more practical and safe and have backup plans?
Safety, backup plans, yeah, you name it.
And we'll show you guys a couple upgrades that we made for that. Okay, like our pool fence. Now this is an aesthetic upgrade, but it is a backup plan to have for safety. We also added these locks. That way the girls can't like get outside on their own, you know, because I feel like Sky can reach this now. Just, you know, extra.
Summer's not quite there.
Summer, she's not quite there.
She
but
can't reach it just
before
yet.
you know it, she'll be there.
One thing that I never ever would have thought of before.
It's a total dad thing, let's just say.
Your boys in dad mode is having backup power for the house. If you guys know how terrible it is when your power goes out, you'll completely understand. This is the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and the Delta Pro Ultra X, and together they create an entire home backup system. Which
This
is
all
so
you right
cool.
here?
This is all me right here. It's all controlled by an app, and it has a backup battery as well to
Look
run
at
the
you.
entire house. I know,
Dad mode. Get the dad
mode.
shoes out.
But come on, you gotta have it.
You know, normally I'd be like, okay, this is something like we don't need. We don't have to like, you know, we used to, I feel like just like something would happen and then we would try and solve the solution rather than being prepared. But now that I have breast milk
We're
in the fridge,
proactive.
I am not letting that go to waste. So I am making sure that we are taking steps to be smart before.
fast.
And there's no way, you got me messed up. If our AC went
I
out
was
in our
about to
summer
say.
in the middle of the night with kids, like I'm like, I think we could handle it, but I'm like, I don't know what I would do as a
That
parent.
summer
like
heat
that,
in
you know.
Arizona is no joke.
Yeah, I know.
If you guys know, you know. But yeah, we gotta have that AC unit running 24/7 for sure.
Okay, so this is the app and we can control everything from it. And what I like is if we're not home, we can control something from that app, which is really nice. Like our Wi-Fi, appliances, all of it, we can check right here. Which honestly, I didn't think we would use as much as we do. Girl, what are you doing? What is she doing? Honestly, I really just like it because anything that like runs in the background and I don't have to think about is just so nice and convenient because I know if you're like a parent, like your mind is just nonstop going 24/7. What is this girly doing? What are you doing? Does that feel good on your teeth? Poor girl's teething right now. So she is literally, yeah, she's that bucket yummy. Speaking of not being home, which this will come in handy because we actually are going somewhere. Do you want to tell them, Sky, where we're going?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to park the kitty.
Oh, we are going to the park later, but
Kitty or Katie?
she's at and Candy, I think.
What'd you say?
Candy.
Girl, what? No. Okay,
We're
where are we
going on
going?
a
We're going on a
beach
trip
trip.
where?
Daddy's trip.
Yeah,
Remember, in Daddy's truck, we're gonna go on a road trip.
Oh,
And your friends are gonna be there. What friends?
Yeah, in a few days we're going to California, and literally I think we have a squad of like, how many people are going?
20 plus.
About 20 of our friends. We're just gonna have like a big beach trip. It's gonna be super fun.
Too.
Lots of kids. I'm very excited. We're gonna vlog it too, so I think it'll be a lot of fun.
Also, I know we were talking about moving houses, but how could we move house when A, this is the house that we built all the memories with our girls for the first time in, and like obviously there, at some point we are gonna move, but B, we have an amazing secret playroom. Okay, like we made our daughters a secret playroom and it's so cool. So we can't move houses because another house isn't gonna have that. You know, enter the secret playroom.
We're currently cleaning up.
We need to clean up the playroom because it's a mess. Summer,
what are you doing? Guys, it's so cute. Look at this wall right here. I love the girls' playroom. Oh, I also added curtains, which I thought was really cute.
we did add the curtains. A lot of house updates.
Honestly, I was watching a vlog back from like, I would say like 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Our house is like completely different.
This room that we're standing in used to be a ping pong room.
We need to bring it back.
That's how young Katie B and I were. You know, never thinking kids. We had a ping pong room. Sky's room, I'll show you guys that. That was an upgrade as well. Sky's room used to be a pool table room and a dart room. So yeah.
Yeah, now we have a playroom.
Older girly. We got a playroom. We got 2 beautiful kids.
I know, it's crazy.
Life is good. Life's good.
It moves so fast. It's so crazy. It's so crazy when people will comment and be like, "You guys are my childhood." I'm like, "Stop! You make me feel old."
I know. We are like slowly running out of rooms though. You know, baby number 3 is coming, so we'll move Summer into Sky's room. They can share a room together, and then Summer's room will become the new baby's room, and then we'll still have a guest room, and we'll still have a playroom. But eventually, the playroom will probably be a room. The guest room will be a room. Topper sleeps with us, so that's his room.
We're still co-sleeping.
We're still co-sleeping.
We can't break the habit of the
can't
age
break
of
the
almost
habit.
6.
He's an old boy now. Like literally, guys, come on. This room used to be a pool table room. Like we had a pool table in here, a dartboard and everything. Now we have a huge old barn door. We painted it pink for Sky. We got a crib in here, we got that. We got a custom closet built in here. So many house upgrades, so many memories. We can't move just yet. It's too soon for us. Now you guys know how much Katie B and I love to prank each other, and I've actually done a prank on Katie B where our power went out and all her frozen breast milk went bad. And I know that's a pretty mean prank, but we did do that. But I wanted not only to have a smart home backup for the house, but I also wanted to prank proof it for myself because I gotta watch my back out here because you never know when Katie B is gonna prank me. Okay, let me explain. So you see how all the electricity is on, you know, the lights are on, the TV's on, the AC's on. You probably can't see that, but if you're here, you can feel it because it's hot in Arizona. We got the fridge and freezer are on, guys. The electricity is all on. Now we're gonna go flip the power switch outside and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. So either 2 things are gonna happen. Option 1 is the power's actually about to go out and we're gonna prank Katie B. Or option 2, what should happen and what's gonna happen is the Delta Pro Ultra X and the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 are gonna combine together to kick the power back on, and it actually does it like super fast. Like you're not even gonna notice the power goes out, which is so cool. We are prank proofing this house 1 step at a time. So we're headed over to a little box out here and I'm gonna turn the power off. Hopefully it worked. Okay, we're back in the house. Freezer's still on. Fridge is still on. The lights are still on. The AC is still on. Let's go prank proofing the house 1 step at a time. Come on now.
So the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 is a smart electric panel with 32 independently controlled circuits, which is fully compatible with Delta Pro Ultra X generation solar panels and EV chargers. The Delta Pro Ultra X is a portable power station. Using this paired with the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 gives us peace of mind when it comes to the summer backup power. It delivers a seamless whole home energy experience with instant automatic backup during outages. With the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3, you get energy control, power control, money control, and safety control. And it's really nice because it says AI assistant forecasts outages, optimizes charging, extends backup runtime by 42%, and enables full circuit remote management. And it also has AI modes for cost efficient EV charging. And it has a higher performance. It's crazy because I was just looking back at a video and literally our whole entire garage gym was like not even here. And okay, now obviously we're such parents. We have like the saucer in here. But it's crazy. Like I don't want to move. We built this like really nice gym. And we've just made so many upgrades to our home to where I'm like, it just feels like, I feel like it finally feels like a home. I don't know. Do you guys feel that way? Like when you move into your house like initially and then it's like over time, like you make it like a home. It's like a house is a home after some time. And that when you make it like personal to you, and that's what I feel like we've done. So now I'm like, I don't really think that moving is the right move unless we found a house that was like, okay, this just feels right. But I don't think that's gonna happen anytime. Okay, I need your guys' help. We have not updated our bedroom at all since moving here, which it hasn't been that long, so it's not like it needs to be updated. But I have no clue what to do with this wall. I just feel like it doesn't make sense. Like it's so, our room is just so like, I don't know, like cream white stale. Like I don't know, like it needs life to it. What should I do? Should I redo like this wall? But I also don't want to spend a lot of money. Should I like add curtains there? What should I do with this? This is completely blank. This is fine how it is. This looks cute over here. I need your guys' interior expertise.
Playroom party! Let's go!
Not for you guys, for us. We gotta play with the girlies.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah! Road trip! Someone is very excited.
She's very excited about a road trip. We are gonna vlog that. Wish us luck because a road trip with 2 kids, it might be a little crazy.
Send help.
Send help, please.
Send help, please.
Ooh. You guys want to check out the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and the Delta Pro Ultra X, make sure you guys check out our description box. We actually have a code for you guys. You guys are going to save 7%, so go check it out right now. Go crazy. We'll see you guys in the next video. It's going to be a road trip. Wish us luck. Peace. You want to punch? Boom.